Of the 438 teachers in schools visited, only 140 had some training in special needs education. So to the Minister and the team, has this number improved to date?
Atiranga Minister ali in charge. Chimpadde essanyu lya nsusso nti entandikwa at least tugifunye somesa afe bagenda kwongezebwa omusaala twagamba in a phased manner bagenda babongeza kwa 25% bati okusala natukadala kwa wetutekeddwa okubateeka nze ndi musanyufu era nsaba abasabye na Uganda twongere okukola okulanga gavumenti efuna ssente ezijja okubeezaawo okunula mu welfare y'abakozi baayo.
Buzibu nakikwatana na kubongeza naye percentage eri wansi naye tusooke tuzifune tuddeko ekirala kubanga twali tukikozeeko ffe okwongeza abasomesa aba primary baali 15% babongeza emirundi ena ne batuuka ku kitwale tukolaki twagala kati babalese 25 ekisooka kye tusooka okutwala kubanga tulwaniridde okuwa abasomesa ssente naye n'obongeze tubagenda kusanga ba science kubanga bye bakuze byanjawulo bali bye bakuze goino nawo kuba kubyokola naye kyenjagala tusooke tuzifune eyo score tuba tulwanyi.
480 billion per financial year would be tenable if Kapatu University got transformed into a public university. Therefore, purely from the word go, Karamaja Peace and Technology University is a private university. In 2025, the Attorney General gave his opinion, and in a meeting we had with him, he also advised that let Karamoja Peace and Technology University first proceed or get started as a private university, and then later in the future they can now give considerations to transform into a public university. All these squabbles are a product of the fact that Karamoja doesn't have a university. There's been an idea of a university through a constituent college implemented by Gulu University, which has taken a while. But at the end of the day, establishing that kind of institution does not require any directive from anybody, because individuals can put up universities, institutions.